What's happening? Ooh, who's that?
This is some great lighting.
Yeah,
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today's Christmas. It's pretty fun. And
Yes! That is definitely right.
so, like usual, all these people woke up early.
I was actually the first one awake because my alarm went off because I forgot to.
You
I
Seriously didn't.
Jared, I heard her alarm.
I actually
Yeah.
turned all my alarms off. How did my alarm go?
As you can see, it's like 6:30 right now. Yeah. So people didn't really wake up that early, but kind of still want to sleep a little bit. We can't open presents till 7:30, so I'm either gonna sleep or get breakfast, one of the two. Yeah, I'll see you when the present wrapping starts.
Wow.
Okay, present unwrapping, not present wrapping. Yeah. You know, actually, in the meantime, let's unpackage this Lego man. Wow. Let's put this man together. Maybe I think it's a woman. Never assume genders, people.
I think you're doing that.
I don't think I am. So, in our family, Santa, the majority of Santa's gifts come in these stockings. He's kind of failing a little bit because there's no name tags on any of these things. So, we don't know who they're for. I guess all of those gifts are mine, guys. Sorry. They were under my stocking.
No, they weren't.
Yep, they were. What are you talking about? They were
Okay,
they were
let's just
directly under
open
my
them
stocking. It's 7:30 now. We're gonna open some presents. We're opening some presents. Give me a present. I want present. Yeah. Oh my, what is this? We need to find some trash bags or else it's gonna get messy real quick. Oh, they're there. It's now almost 8 o'clock and my parents still aren't up. We need to open our presents, Mom. Why isn't it like every Christmas parents don't wake up, but every other day the parents wake up way early and bust your butt to get you out of bed? It's kind of weird, huh? Don't you think? My mom comes in my room at like 6:30, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, and then on Christmas, 8 o'clock is too early. A quick thumbnail. You gotta constantly think about the thumbnail or else you won't have one. Figured that out in my first couple videos. Didn't have a thumbnail. And take the picture. Nice.
Huge present.
Hello, Barrett.
Just pull my shirt down.
Hi.
You know what all these are?
Those are presents, Kiefer. What am I? I wasn't born yesterday.
Not yesterday, but.
I was born like a month ago. Get off my back.
We should start opening.
You excited for your first Christmas ever? I just noticed this, but one of my presents is taking the centerpiece on this shelf. Look, right there. Just up front, prominent. To Jared. Yeah. And the Lord said, "Let there be light." And it was lit. Guys, I'm noticing one fine detail missing. Where is the snow?
It's cold, Jared.
Dude, the clouds. What is this? This ain't Christmas. Weathermans, you lied. You said it was gonna snow Christmas Eve. Morning, Mom. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Santa came, Dad. Aren't you excited? That's a funny shirt, Dad. Ceiling fan sure is interesting, huh?
Always has been. I don't suspect that to change them.
Time to open some presents for sure this
Take a
time.
picture first.
With our new shirts on?
Never mind, not for sure. We're gonna take a picture.
We all gotta put our Christmas shirts on. Wait, what about Barry?
I should be like follow all these.
Do you see that Christmas tree?
Don't use it. It's for the picture, and this is not yours.
Here, do you two want to sit on the ground and then?
Me. That's my guess.
I'm gonna sit by Mom. Bring all my presents right over here.
You got them.
Give me.
I hope there's a cool shirt in here, Mom.
All the presents.
No, Dad.
I don't know if you can top this Bob Ross shirt though.
That's yours, Em. You get a canopy.
Yeah, there's got to be a really cool shirt in here.
Jared.
Oh yes. I think I know what this is.
Oh, and another one. No way, Dad.
Well, I mean, this is hardly for Dad.
Oh, and another one.
Dad went on a little binge
Someone else can open
and
this.
buy himself a bunch of stuff.
Mom can't remember.
I messed him up. That one's to Dad.
Of course it is.
Here, you go. This one.
How about we just give all the parents the presents?
In reality.
Christmas is about presents for
In
parents.
reality, this one's
Ooh, thank you.
Barrett?
Wait.
no,
Oh,
it's
there's
probably to me.
quite a big something under there.
Yes.
What?
This one.
It's a can of chili.
The can of chili. Empty. Chili.
That's all I ever
You
wanted.
thought it was beans. Yeah, I thought it was beans.
Can I open this?
These ones are the ones we're opening all at the same time?
Wait, Barrett.
Yeah.
I gave Mom hers.
It's framed up
She
nice?
has it. I know
I think
she
it
has it. Wait, it's in her head.
Now pick up your wrapping paper and put it in the bag.
Avery, thank you for all the
Trash.
Ooh.
Try your presents.
Look at that. It has the little engine in it and everything,
See
Mom.
what I got you.
Awesome.
Avery.
Avery.
And the doors.
Avery.
Thanks, Avery.
No way. You got
I got a Bluetooth speaker.
It's a mermaid.
That's definitely my stomach right there. Those ripped abs. That's me.
Thank you.
This is from my cousin. That's 32 gigabytes. That's 32 gigabytes of footage that I can use on my phone. Thank you, Sierra.
For my biggest. Hold on. Pick up one.
Dang Jesus.
Oh, that's my
He's
leg.
my buddy.
No. Hold on.
What is it?
My phone stopped recording, but I got a GoPro. So thanks, Mom and Dad.
Presents then in?
Wait, have you?
It's legit impossible to get into one of these things. I think this is right. Never cut towards yourself. Well, bull crap. Gotcha. Alright, GoPro is charging, so it's a Bluetooth speaker. We've got the Mustang set up on the desk. It looks like these guys are doing some type of handcuff thing. You try to get out first?
Yeah.
You said? This thing is sweet.
Is there a color in here?
Don't play the
Oh,
color.
you're building like the little bridge that goes over the train right now?
Yeah, that's mine.
That's awesome.
Well, don't play the color.
Where's your RC car?
So
We
everyone
should
has
bust that
X's
out
in
and
the block.
do some skirt. That's awesome. Stairs. Alright, yeah, but that's gonna have to do it for me today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that. Yeah, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that other crap, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. It says definitely Christmas.
Probably.